Okay, we're here for case number 8305, Kathy Knight versus Edward Gore. Miss Knight, if you can come forward to the podium. Mr. Gore, if you can come forward to the podium. Hello, Miss Knight, am I reading this right or is this a typo? You're suing Mr. Gore for $5 million?
That's correct.
It's not a typo. $5 million.
$5 million.
Whoa. Oh, man, this is going to be good. What happened?
Well, my husband was at Maple Grove Nursing Facility.
Okay.
And I have gone often to make sure everything is going correctly there. And
when you say you're there to make sure that everything is going correctly, what do you mean by that exactly?
Well, my husband was 91 years old.
You said was. Is your husband's deceased?
That's right.
Well, I am sorry to hear that, ma'am. And did he pass away at this particular facility?
That's correct.
Okay. So what happened, ma'am?
Well, apparently, whenever the call button was rung, the attendants didn't come right away.
The call button, you mean the button that your husband would push in his room for assistance?
Yes.
Okay, and how do you know that the call button wasn't activated properly?
Well, I've seen it happen before, so I'm not quite sure.
You mean you were there when your husband pushed the call button, or maybe you pushed the call button and
people don't come right away? Correct.
All right.
So these things have happened before. That's why I go often to make sure that he would be okay. He is 91.
Now I've been in a few hospital rooms. I've been in a few hospital rooms myself, and I've seen where you push the button or whatever. So I guess my question to you is, when you say right away, what time frame are we talking about?
Well, when you're dealing with somebody who's 91 years old, has limited mobility, has comorbidities, you better come right away.
Okay, but again, when you say right away, are you saying immediately, like right now? Okay.
Yeah, like right now, because when you're that age, every minute counts. Anything could happen.
Okay, continue.
Well, apparently my husband fell and suffered, like his heart gave out.
How did he fall?
I'm not sure. I wasn't there.
Okay. So the staff told you that your husband fell?
Yes.
Okay.
And I don't know. Maybe he tried to get out of bed. I'm not really sure. He did have beginning stage dementia. So it is possible that he tried to get out of bed without help, and maybe he fell, and that caused the heart to give out. I'm not sure.
I'm looking at a form that you filed with the court, and if I may read the conditions, is that okay? It says here that your husband suffered from advanced heart failure, type 2 diabetes, and early stage dementia. That correct? And his mobility was limited. This is what you filed with the court. This is what you gave.
That's correct.